In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Confluence Cloud. This process will help you streamline collaboration and document management for your team. Let's dive right in so you can get started on enhancing your teamwork efficiency with Confluence. First, you'll want to head over to atlassian.com/software-confluence. Once there, look for the option that says Get It Free and give it a click. This will bring you to a screen where you'll need to sign up. Now, when signing up, I highly recommend using your work email. This will make it much easier to invite your colleagues when you're ready to do so. If you already have an Atlassian account, go ahead and sign in instead. After logging in or creating your account, you'll be prompted to create a site name. This is a critical step because this name will become your Confluence URL. You'll also be asked to choose your team's function and role. These preferences will help tailor the Confluence experience to your specific needs. Once that's done, Atlassian will guide you through some basic questions about your company or team information. This part is pretty straightforward, just a bit of admin work to ensure everything is set up correctly. The setup will then offer you the chance to invite your teammates. This step is optional at this stage, so if you prefer to get everything else organized first, you can skip this and come back to it later. Next up, you'll have the opportunity to choose from a variety of templates. Depending on your team's needs, you might opt for project management, human resources, a knowledge base, and more. Selecting the right templates can greatly enhance how your team uses Confluence, so take a moment to consider what would work best for your group. Once you've completed the initial setup and your site and spaces are in place, you're all set to start creating pages. This is where the real power of Confluence lies. You can begin adding content and collaborating seamlessly with your team members. Think of Confluence as your team's central hub for storing important documents, sharing updates, and ensuring everyone is on the same page. By now, you should have a functional Confluence Cloud setup that's ready for action. Make sure to explore the different features and tools available within Confluence to make the most out of this platform. Whether you're working on collaborative projects, managing documentation, or keeping your team connected, Confluence offers a versatile solution for all your needs. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check out Atlassian's support resources. Keep exploring and happy collaborating.